Okay. Chapter 8, the parallel straight lines. So, dear students, please, okay. If you raise hand, I will try to unmute yourself. Okay, now identify which two angles here are the pair of corresponding angle. Identify the name.
BF
Is equals
is
to
one
E.
pair of corresponding angles. DG is another pair of corresponding angles.
Okay, what is the corresponding angle of C? What is the corresponding angle of C?
Corresponding angle of C.
Yes.
H, sir.
Corresponding angle of C is H, and corresponding angle of D?
Sir, G.
Yes, D is G. Absolutely right answer. So right here, the pair of corresponding angles A, P, E. Like we can write A, P, E angle is equals to C, Q, P angle. C and Q and P angle. This is the another angle we can identify. EPB angle, EPB angle is the corresponding of EPB angle is the corresponding of PQD angle. PQD angle. There are more corresponding angle. At least there are total 8 set of corresponding angles. Just we have shown here only 2 set. So now I think the pair of corresponding angle is okay. Now number 2. Another important points, alternate angles. The alternate angle, internal alternate angle and external alternate angle. The first one is internal alternate angle.
Sir, I can tell the internal alternate angles.
Yes, internal alternate angles.
C is equals to F and D is equals to E.
Okay, let me review alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay, let me clear again, Baba. আবার একটু answer করো.
C is equals to F and D is equals to E.
Yes, there are 2 set of internal angles. C equals to F, D equal to E. So according to this base of alternate angle, you have to answer MCQ in the exam hall. Okay, right here, AP, this angle, like see here, APQ, APQ is equal PQD. APQ equals to PQD. What is another angle? BPQ. BPQ is the alternate angle of CQP. CQP. 2 set of alternate angles. Clear? Okay. Write in your classwork topic. Did you complete the number 1? Dear students.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can write the external alternate angle. Okay, write in the number 3. I hope you have completed the number 1. We can write here now number, this is the number 3. Number 3 point is the external. This is the pair of external alternate angle. Okay, now raise your hand who can answer.
Sir, A is equals to Z and B is equals to H.
Yes, A equal to Z and B equal to H. Thank you, Baba. External alternate angles. External alternate angles. So identify the name of the external angle. A equals to Z and B equals to H. That means the outside of the parallel line, outside of the parallel lines, and both sides of the transversal. The angle outside of the parallel line and both sides of the transversal EF. So that means APE angle, APE angle is equal, APE angle is equal FQD angle, FQD angle. Another one, another set you can write here, EPB angle, EPB angle is equals to CQF angle, CQF angle. So these two pair of angles are the external alternate angles. Now the next one, number 4. This is the corresponding angle, external angle, internal angle, interior angles. So who can identify the interior angle? Interior angles. Interior angles. Which two angles are interior angles in the parallel line?
Angle sine DQP and angle sine BPQ.
BP, first angle BPQ and angle
DQP. Angle sine DQP.
BQP. Okay, identify in the small letter. A choto letter gulo diye identify karo. A equal to A or E or F or B?
F and D, sir.
F and D. Yes. So what is the condition for interior angles? Are they equal or something else?
Sir, the sum of two angles is equal. Sum of two interior angles is equals to 80 degrees. That's what I mean.
Yes. This is the condition of interior angles. Sum of two interior angles will be 180 degrees. So which types of quadrilateral basically we see interior angles? Anyone who can identify which types of quadrilaterals basically we use the interior angles? Anyone? Like this is the two are interior angles. These two are interior angles and their sum together will be 180 degree. Another two of interior angles are they and their sum will be 180 degree. So in parallelogram, in square, in rectangles, in parallelogram, in square and in rectangle, we usually use the concept of interior angles. That means sum of two adjacent angles, sum of two adjacent angle, like if this is the angle A, this is the angle B, this is the angle C, this is the angle D. A plus B will be 180 degree or B plus C will be 180 degree. That means when this is the two lines are parallel. So and the A and B are two interior angles. And when the AB and CD are parallel, then angle B and angle C are the interior angles. So sum of the two interior angles will be 180 degree. So now we can write here BPD. Yes, BPD angle plus BPD angle, PQD angle, PQD angle, and there must be 180 degree. Another set here, the next set, APQ angle, APQ angle, APQ angle plus CQP angle, CQP angle, and their sum also in 180 degree. So in interior angles, sum of the two interior angles 180 degree. So now let me clear another point. I hope আমি একটু পরে তোমাদেরকে এখান থেকে MCQ ask করব এই ইনফরমেশন গুলোর উপর বেস করে। So this is the now next question number 5. There is now number 5. Number 5, interior angles. So I think vertically opposite angles, very easy. Vertically opposite angles. So আমি এখন একজনকে একটু জিজ্ঞেস করি, just identify the students vertically opposite angles. 200 Ryan, okay, you are using the student ID Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, unmute yourself and identify the two pair of by opposite angles, vertically opposite angles.
Sir, AD are CB.
A, D, and yes,
CB.
A and D and C and B, or E or G, H or F. Yes, they are the same. So let me just number sit that away. EPB, thank you. EPB angle is equals to APQ angle. EPB angle is equals to APQ. APQ, or another set we can write here, APE angles. APE angles is equals to QPB angle, and the QPB angle. They are the vertically opposite angles. Why they are vertically opposite angle? Because they have the same vertex and the same line of same ray. Next point. Next point is supplementary angles. So, who can say the definition of supplementary angles? Who can say the
Sir,
definition of supplementary
when
angle?
two angles together make an 80.
When the two angles together make 180 degree or one straight angle is called supplementary angles. So let me identify one students. Mutasir Ahmed Kaif, unmute yourself, and Muntasir Ahmed, identify here the two supplementary angles. Ahnaf Noor 628. Ahnaf Noor 628. Unmute yourself. Is it possible to find out supplementary angle from
Yes,
the
sir,
figure?
present, sir.
Yes. Is it possible to find out the supplementary angle from the figure?
Sir, the supplementary angle. Sir,
বাবা একটু ভালো করে রিভাইজ দিতে হবে, অনেক ইজি কোশ্চেনস, ভেরি ইজি কোশ্চেনস।
yes, sir.
Minhaj Ahmed 632. Minhaj Ahmed, can you identify the supplementary angle from the figure?
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার আমি আমাকে এই যে 5 নাম্বারটা আবার বুঝিয়ে দিবেন, আমি ওটা বুঝতে পারছি না।
Number 5.
Yes.
Okay বাবা, আমি আবার একটু ডিসকাস করব vertically opposite angles.
আর
Very
3
easy
4 আমি বুঝেছি।
Okay. Number 5. Now everyone students, please mute yourself. That was vertically opposite angle. First line a line or ray, and then draw another line. Now there is a vertex. There are total 4 angles. This is called the angle 1. This is the angle 2. So 1 is the opposite of 2. This is the 3. 3 is the opposite of 4. And this angle 3 and angle 4, they have the same ray. Like this is the 1 ray, and there is also the ray here. So 3 and 4, they are same because they have the same ray and the same vertex, just opposite to each other. They are called the vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles, always they are same in measures. Now the question number here, the question number 6. Just I said you to identify the supplementary angles. So first write here content name. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means sum of the two adjacent angle. Their sum will be 180 degrees. So supplementary angles in number 6 you can write here. Supplementary angles APE, angle APE, angle APE plus EPB. EPB is equals to 180 degree, or APE plus APQ. APQ is equals to 180 degree. That means sum of the two adjacent angle together make a one straight angle. It's called the supplementary angles. So now I think all of you can identify easily these types of angle here. Do you have any more questions in the up to number 6?
No, sir.
So this is the theorems number 1. The actually this is the alternate angles in the theorems number. In the theorems number 1, alternate angles from your academic book. আমরা সেই টপিকস গুলো তোমাদের অনেক আগে পড়িয়েছিলাম. I hope all of you can easily identify these types of angle here. Now আমরা একটু MCQ তে যাব নেক্সট পার্টে.
Yes, sir.
If a PE angle, if a PE angle 2 times of x plus 10 degree, 2 types of x plus 10 degree, and 2 types of x plus 10 degree APE angles, and another angle is PQD. PQD angle. PQD angle is equals to x minus 10 degree. Then CQF angle equals to what? CQF angles is equals to what? The first question, find the value of x and identify the exact measures of CQF. So this is the first questions. I will give you 2 minutes, and within these 2 minutes, please try to identify the exact value of CQF. I hope you can see the question properly here. Yes, try to find out the answer. You are raising hand. Already complete. Okay, in the comment section you can write, Baba. If possible, write in the comment section you can write the answer, and I will call your name. Okay. Obiraj Roy Chaudhary, unmute yourself, and if possible, try to answer. The next one, Asad Al Afif, unmute yourself and try to answer.
angle কোথায় স্যার?
You don't see the figure here in the right side angle, in the same figure. I think you can see the right side figure, and this is the left side, the questions. This figure, the first one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Now, who can answer here, dear students? Okay, try to identify the angle name. Find the exact value of the angle. CQF, APE, and PDE. Anyone done? Is there anyone who have complete this answer? Dear students, raise your hand. Farooq Abdullah, unmute yourself and try to answer.
Sir, the answer will be 160 degree.
CQF will be 160 degree. Is it possible? Okay. Let me clear again. CQF. He said that this angle will be 160 degree. Anyone? He is right or not? And in the comment section, few students are writing here x plus 10. Actually, x plus 10 is the vertically opposite angle. So identify the exact value of angle x. Identify the exact value of angle CQF in the degree. Anyone? The above Pratim, is it possible to find the answer?
Sir, I have found the answer.
Yes, what is the correct answer
Sir,
here?
angle sin CQF is equals to 50 degree.
Angle sin CQF is equals to 50 degree. Okay, let me identify your answer. Is it right or
Sir,
wrong?
can you tell how I did it?
Okay, explain.
Sir, the value of angle sin APE is given here, and it is 2x plus 10. So angle sin BPQ is the vertically opposite angle of angle sin APE. So it
Yes.
is equal to the angle sin APE, and
Yes.
the alternate angle of angle sin BPE is angle sin CQP.
Yes.
So, sir, from this equation, I can say that angle 2x plus 10 plus x minus 10 is
Yes.
equals to 180 degree, and
Gotcha.
from
That
that I
means
found the answer.
making the equation in between them. Just you have made the relation in between them first step, and their sum it will be 180 degree, and the finding the value of x, then compare this one. Okay, I think অনেক স্টুডেন্টস সাথে এখানে একটু প্রবলেম ফেস করছে বাবা, আমি একটু লিখে দিচ্ছি বাট খেয়াল করো খুব ভালো করে। Here APE angle, so is it clear যে APE angle plus EPB angle, EPB angle, what will be the value of the sum of these two angles mentioned here? APE angle, EPB angle, and together make the 180 degree. So now right here APE angle, according to question, this angle value is twice x plus 10, and this angle EPB is equal to PQD. So right here EPB is equal to PQD. This is now PQD. This angle is PQD because they are corresponding to each other, and the right side sum is 180 degree. So now do the value of here twice x plus 10, and this value is PQD value is given here x minus 10. So now this is 180 degree. Now do the calculation and find the value of x. So here you will get the next part. This is the 3 times of x plus 10 minus 10, eliminating them. You will get here 180 right side value. Then now x is equals to 180 divided by 3. There is a 60 degree. The value of x is 60 degree. So now our question is CQF. So CQF is the vertically opposite angles of CQF is the vertically opposite angle of
Angle sin
PQD. Yes. Now making the relation in between cause vertically opposite angles. So now x is at the now according to question CQF. CQF is the vertically opposite of PQD. Is a PQD. So now put the value of PQD is x minus 10. So what is the value of x? This is the 60 degree minus 10, and there will be 50 degree. So this is our answer. It's the 50 degree. দেখো আমরা এখানে তোমাদেরকে বোঝানোর জন্য অনেকগুলো জিনিস এখানে ডিসকাস করছি, বাট আফটার অল তোমার যদি কনসেপ্ট ক্লিয়ার থাকে এক্সটার্নালি অল্টারনেট অ্যাঙ্গেল কনসেপ্ট থেকে তুমি ডিরেক্টলি আনসার করতে পারবা। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট পার্ট। ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড দ্য ভ্যালু অফ x value of x. Then using the vertically opposite angle, the concept, you have to find the exit requirement CQF. Where is the CQF is 50 degree and our answer is 50 degree. My dear students, do you have any question? Please let me know. All of you have understood this math properly? I think in the comment section you are writing the 20
Yes, sir.
degree. Yes. Did you understand this math?
Yes, sir.
Okay. আমরা আরেকটা math একটু টেস্ট করি বাবা। Each and everyone you have to try to answer. Yes, now it's 50 degrees. So please, did you complete the answer writing here?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Sorry. Iktu ache.
Okay, Baba, please do hurry up. Okay, next question. You can write in the right side. Okay, to complete. This is the question number 2, the second question. Very easy questions. If the second question, if BPQ angle is equals to BPQ angle is equals to 30 degree. Sorry, BPQ is equals to 130 degree and PQD angle. PQD angle is 2x minus 20 degree. Then what is the measures of the angle? What is the value of x? Okay, identify this one. Question from the figure. EPB angles. BPQ angle is equals to 130 degree. PQD angle is equal to 2x minus 20 degree. Then find the value of x. Okay, raise your hand, dear students. Those who have completed already, please raise your hand. Also, you can write the answer in the comment section.
Sir, I found the answer.
Okay, okay, just wait 1 minute. I think. Is there anyone who have completed the answer? Okay, Baba, let me say your answer.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Okay,
Sir, the value of x equals to 15 degree.
the value of x equals to 20 degree.
15 degree, sir. 15.
15. So explain your answer, how you have found this 15 degree.
In the question it is written an angle sin BPQ is equals to 130 degree.
Yes,
So the alternate angle, internal on the alternate angle of angle sin BPQ is equals to angle sin PQP.
yes,
So according to the question, angle 130 degree plus 2x minus 20 is equals to 180 degree.
yes. Together they make 180 degree. Yes. Now doing the calculation. successively. You got the answer 15 degree. Okay. Let me try what will be the answer, Baba. Okay, thank you. Amake to justify kore nei amra. So you have just make the angles by making the relation of external alternate angles. But is it possible to make the relation in between them by using the concept of interior angles? Are the interior angles in the figure? Are this the D and F both are the interior angles? So we can write here BPQ angle plus BPQ angle plus PQD angles together make the interior angles, and their sum will be 180 degree. Directly D plus F equals to 180 degree. So now this is 130 degree plus this angle will be twice x minus 20 degree. And the right side angle is 180 degree. So now we can write here twice x 130 minus 20. I am getting the background sound here, students. Please, each and everyone, mute yourself. Okay.
Sir, if you will mute us, sir, then how we will answer, sir?
Okay, Baba, I will explain again. Just okay. There, because this angle A, D and F, like okay, zoom in করে নিচ্ছি একটু খেয়াল করো এখানে this angle D and F, D plus F together make 180 degree. Like similarly, C plus E together make 180 degree. They are the interior angles. They are the interior angles. Is it okay? So now do the calculation. 130 minus 20. So there will be 110 degree, and the right side is 180 degree. So now what will be the value of x? First do subtraction. Twice x is equals to 180 minus 180 minus 110, there will be this is now 180 minus 110. Is it 110? There will be 70 degree. So now the twice x is equal to 70 degree. Then x will be 70 divided by 2. There will be 35. Am I right? देखो तो बाबा 35 और की ना?
Yes, sir.
Minus 20. BPQ plus PQD.
Sir, answer আমি এভাবে লিখেছি।
Yes, 35 degree. তোমাদের আর কারো 35 degree answer আসছে? Okay, BPQ, let me clear again. BPQ.
স্যার আপনার এটা ভুল হচ্ছে এই জায়গায়।
আচ্ছা বাবা, হ্যাঁ আমি একটু ক্লিয়ার করে নিই। BPQ 130 according to question, and PQD angle twice x minus 20. 130 minus 20, there will be 110. হ্যাঁ ওকে, দেখো তো এই দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেল আমাদের কথা 110 টাকে আমরা যখন রাইট সাইডে নিয়ে যাব, there will be 70 ডিগ্রি। হ্যাঁ বাবা ওকে, একজন একটু বলছিল যে স্যার এখানে মিসিং আছে, দেখো তো একটু বুঝলাম।
স্যার আপনারটাই ঠিক আছে, আমার ভুল হচ্ছে।
ওকে বাবা, থ্যাংক ইউ। একটু ক্লিয়ার করে নাও। Just we have used the sum of two internal angles. Okay, write the side note here, sum of two internal angles. Sum of two, so answer, right here answer, x equals to 35 degree. The concept is here sum of two internal angles, sum of two interior angles, sum of two interior angles. So do hurry up, we have remaining 1 or 2 minutes, dear students. Did you complete the answer writing?
Yes, sir.
So inshallah, if I get another class in the next week, I will try to practice some creative questions again from the chapter 8. according to this concept. Today we have discussed the alternate angle, corresponding angle, interior angle, supplementary angle, and the adjacent angle, vertically opposite angles. So by using these types of angles, how to answer the creative questions, inshallah, if I get the time, inshallah, I will try to practice 1 or 2 creative questions. So my dear students, and thank you so much. If you have any question, please let me know about the topic. Any question? Do you have any more question?
No, sir.
Okay, I hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Sir, bye bye, sir. Adab, sir.